Hi, my name's Stanley. I increasingly find myself thinking that the market almost always gives advance warning. The question is whether you can spot it. And this strategy is all about those moments when the movement hasn't started yet, but it's already visible. And in this video I'll show you how it works and why its signals appear earlier than they seem. So stay tuned until the end, there'll be a very telling example. And of course I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the tools for work, shall we? I'm setting classic candles and the time frame is 30 seconds. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Parabolic SAR and the RSI. Let's configure the Parabolic SAR first. Set acceleration to 0.03. Set maximum acceleration to 0.3. And in style, let's change the color to turquoise and the width to 2. And save. Let's configure the RSI. Set period to 5. Go to Style and disable lines 70 and 30. And for line 50, let's move the opacity to the right, width 2. And for the main line, set the color to turquoise, width 2. And save. So the indicators are ready to go, and if you are trading on your phone, set it up the same way. The session begins with a clear reversal point. Expiration is 2 minutes, and I'm opening a long trade for $630. Now, let's take a look at how to work with this strategy step by step without any unnecessary details, just what really helps you navigate price movements. Pay attention to the Parabolic SAR. The moment its points begin to form under the candles is the first hint of a change in market sentiment. Pressure from above weakens, the price stops updating lows, and a basis for a confident upward movement appears. This is not a random moment, but a signal that the structure is beginning to rebuild. After that, we connect the RSI to confirm the picture. The turquoise line neatly crosses the middle gray line from bottom to top. This is exactly what it looks like when the strength of buyers begins to dominate. The movement becomes more focused, the momentum gains stability, and the likelihood of continued growth increases significantly. Let's see. Smooth execution. I'm locking in $579 in profit and moving on. If you need a stable and understandable format without the fuss, join my Telegram channel. There I provide daily market scenarios, share my logic and accompany participants in the chat. There's auto-copying and materials that are not available on YouTube. And I don't charge for entry and don't manage capital. Places are limited, so please write in advance. After a short pause, the market loses its growth momentum. Expiration is 2 minutes. And I'm opening a short trade for $1,400. The price can't find the strength to continue growing and gradually begins to lose ground. The rises become shorter, the pullbacks deeper, and the candles increasingly close below previous levels, showing that the initiative is slowly shifting to the sellers. The movement develops without sharp jerks, smoothly and logically, which indicates a formed downward structure. The pressure from above intensifies with each new candlestick, and the market seems to slow downhill without encountering serious resistance. And in this phase, the price behavior looks composed and understandable without chaos and unnecessary fluctuations. The indicators fully confirm what is happening on the chart. Both clearly indicate a weakening of buyers and the predominance of a downward momentum, which makes the direction of movement obvious and allows you to confidently navigate the current market picture. We'll see. And that's an excellent continuation. There's another $1,288 in profit. The pace remains the same. Then a new impulse appears from buyers. With an expiration of 2 minutes, I'm opening a long trade for $1,370. The price gets a strong reaction from the support level and literally shoots up. The rebound is sharp, and without pause, the market immediately picks up speed, leaving no doubt about the strength of the movement. The candles stretch out, closing confidently higher, and the momentum looks solid and focused without unnecessary fluctuations and pullbacks. Buyers act aggressively and in unison, taking complete control of the initiative. Any attempts to apply pressure from above are instantly bought out, which only reinforces the upward momentum and adds confidence to the movement. The price easily passes the nearest levels, showing a clear superiority of demand. In such a situation, the direction is as clear as possible. The market is moving exactly as expected, and with this structure, there's every reason to expect a positive result. Clear execution, plus $1,260 in profit. Moving on. The final entry is formed on a clear weakening of growth. The timer is set for 2 minutes, and I'm opening a short trade for $1,800. The price is losing momentum and is no longer able to break through new highs. Each attempt at growth quickly fizzles out, after which the market reverses and begins to move steadily downward. Candles are forming sequentially and closing lower and lower without sharp jerks and chaotic movements, which indicates a formed downward trend. The pullbacks look weak and unconvincing. They are more like short pauses before the pressure continues. Sellers act harshly and systematically, not giving up the initiative for a second. The price seems to be descending step by step, consolidating below previous levels. Well, with such dynamics, the direction becomes extremely obvious. Sellers remain in complete control and hold it until the end of the movement, leaving the market no chance for a reversal. We'll see. And that's a strong finish. I recorded a profit of $1,656 and my balance reached $5,684. Let's sum up. A good trading session indeed. My balance has grown from $900 to $5,684. And if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, please don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!